Hello parents, hope you all are good. So today I am here with a Sen activity, but this is a station. As you see, I have so many things over here. First of all, catch the worms. You can catch the worms, you can use bags also and put it in the glass. The next activity you can do is, you can scoop the sand and you can pour it in a bottle through funnel, right? You can also do a pouring activity like this. I have some sand in this cup. We can transfer this sand in a bottle through funnel. So as you can see, we have lots of things here. This is good for their fine motor skills, their EPL activities, and children love to do sand activities as they love sand, and it's very good for their health too. So hope you like this activity. Try it with your kids at home. Bye.